Ladies and gentlemen, what if I told you that aging is not just something that happens to us, but something we can actively slow down and in some ways even reverse? Science is now proving what ancient wisdom hinted at for centuries. Movement is medicine. Not expensive creams, not miracle pills, but specific, targeted exercises that communicate directly with your cells, your hormones, and even your DNA. Researchers have discovered that the right kind of physical activity can lengthen telomeres, the protective caps on our chromosomes linked to aging, boost human growth hormone, improve brain plasticity, and restore youthful strength and energy. Today, I'm not talking about endless hours in the gym or extreme fitness routines. I'm talking about 5 simple, science-backed exercises that have been proven to help your body look younger, feel stronger, and function better at any age. If your goal is to stay sharp, mobile, energetic, and independent for decades to come, then listen closely, because these 5 exercises may just be the closest thing we have to a real-life fountain of youth. If there is one exercise that scientists consistently rank at the top for slowing and even reversing the effects of aging, it is strength training. Often misunderstood as something only for bodybuilders or young athletes, resistance training is actually one of the most powerful tools for longevity, vitality, and independence at any age. As we grow older, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass in a process called sarcopenia. After the age of 30, adults can lose up to 3 to 8% of muscle mass per decade, and this rate accelerates after 60. This loss doesn't just affect appearance. It slows metabolism, weakens bones, increases fat gain, reduces balance, and raises the risk of falls, fractures, and chronic disease. Strength training directly combats this decline by signaling the body to preserve and rebuild muscle tissue, even in people in their 70 seconds, 80 seconds, and beyond. From a biological perspective, strength training sends powerful messages to your cells. When muscles are challenged, the body responds by releasing growth hormone and testosterone, 2 hormones strongly linked to youthfulness, fat loss, and tissue repair. These hormones help regenerate muscle fibers, strengthen connective tissues, and improve skin elasticity, making the body not only stronger but visibly more youthful. One of the most fascinating discoveries in aging research is strength training's impact on bone density. As we age, bones become thinner and more fragile, increasing the risk of osteoporosis. Resistance exercises place healthy stress on bones, stimulating bone-forming cells called osteoblasts. This process can actually reverse bone loss, making bones denser and more resilient over time. Strong bones are a cornerstone of longevity and independence. Strength training also plays a crucial role in metabolic health. Muscle is metabolically active tissue, meaning it burns calories even at rest. The more muscle you maintain, the higher your resting metabolism becomes. This helps regulate blood sugar, reduce insulin resistance, and lower the risk of type 2 diabetes, one of the fastest aging chronic conditions. Improved insulin sensitivity is directly linked to longer lifespan and reduced inflammation. Speaking of inflammation, chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the main drivers of aging, often referred to as inflammaging. Strength training has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers in the body while improving immune system function. A stronger immune system means fewer illnesses, faster recovery, and better protection against age-related diseases. Another often overlooked benefit is mental and neurological health. Lifting weights improves brain function by increasing blood flow and stimulating the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports memory, learning, and cognitive sharpness. Studies show that older adults who engage in regular resistance training experience slower cognitive decline and better mental clarity. The best part? Strength training doesn't require fancy equipment or extreme workouts. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and resistance band movements can be just as effective when done consistently. Even 2 to 3 sessions per week can lead to noticeable improvements in strength, posture, energy levels, and biological age. In essence, strength training is not about lifting heavy weights. It's about sending a powerful, anti-aging signal to your entire body. It tells your muscles to stay strong, your bones to stay dense, your hormones to stay youthful, and your mind to stay sharp. That's why strength training isn't just exercise, It's a long-term investment in a longer, healthier, and younger life. High-intensity interval training, commonly known as HIIT, is one of the most researched exercise methods in modern science, and for good reason. Unlike traditional steady-state cardio, HIIT alternates between short bursts of intense effort and brief periods of rest or low-intensity movement. These workouts are typically short, but their impact on aging is profound, reaching deep into the body at a cellular and mitochondrial level. To understand why HIIT is so powerful, we need to talk about mitochondria, the tiny energy-producing structures inside your cells. Mitochondria are often called the power plants of the body, and their health largely determines how energetic, resilient, and youthful you feel. As we age, mitochondrial function naturally declines, leading to fatigue, slower metabolism, brain fog, and increased risk of chronic disease. Scientific studies have shown that HIIT can stimulate the creation of new mitochondria and improve the efficiency of existing ones, essentially helping aging cells behave like younger cells. One landmark study published in a leading medical journal found that older adults who performed HIIT experienced significant improvements in mitochondrial capacity, sometimes surpassing those seen in younger individuals performing moderate exercise. This means HIIT doesn't just slow aging, it can reverse certain age-related declines in cellular energy production. HIIT is also incredibly effective at improving cardiovascular health, which is a major predictor of longevity. During intense intervals, your heart is challenged to pump blood more efficiently, strengthening the cardiac muscle and improving oxygen delivery throughout the body. Over time, this leads to lower resting heart rate, improved blood pressure, and healthier blood vessels. A strong cardiovascular system reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, and cognitive decline, some of the most common age-related conditions. Another major anti-aging benefit of HIIT is its impact on insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Poor glucose regulation accelerates aging by increasing inflammation and oxidative stress. HIIT forces muscles to rapidly absorb glucose for energy, making cells more responsive to insulin. This reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes and helps stabilize energy levels, mood, and body weight, all critical factors in healthy aging. HIIT also triggers the release of powerful anti-aging hormones, including human growth hormone HGH. Growth hormone supports fat loss, muscle repair, skin health, and overall recovery. Even short HIIT sessions have been shown to significantly increase HGH levels, which naturally decline with age. Beyond physical benefits, HIIT has remarkable effects on the brain and nervous system. The intense nature of interval training increases blood flow to the brain and boosts the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a key molecule involved in learning, memory, and neuroplasticity. This helps protect against age-related cognitive decline and improves mental sharpness. Despite its intensity, HIIT is highly adaptable. It can be done with walking, cycling, swimming, or bodyweight exercises, making it accessible for beginners and older adults when properly modified. Even 15 to 20 minutes, 2 to 3 times per week, can deliver powerful results. In summary, HIIT works like a reset button for aging cells. By revitalizing mitochondria, strengthening the heart, balancing blood sugar, and boosting brain health, HIIT delivers maximum anti-aging benefits in minimal time. It proves that when it comes to reversing aging, how you move matters just as much as how long you move. When we think of exercises that reverse aging, walking may seem too simple to make the list. Yet science consistently proves that walking, especially brisk walking, is one of the most effective, accessible, and sustainable ways to slow down the aging process. It is low impact, easy to integrate into daily life, and provides profound benefits for the heart, brain, muscles, and overall longevity. One of the most significant ways walking combats aging is through its impact on cardiovascular health. Walking, particularly at a brisk pace, strengthens the heart and improves circulation. This increased blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to vital organs, helping them function optimally. Studies show that individuals who walk regularly have lower blood pressure, healthier cholesterol levels, and reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. In fact, Walking just 30 minutes a day has been associated with a significantly longer lifespan, making it one of the simplest yet most powerful longevity tools. Walking also plays a crucial role in metabolic health. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows, increasing the risk of obesity, diabetes, and other age-related conditions. Walking helps maintain a healthy weight and improves insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to regulate blood sugar more efficiently. This reduces inflammation, one of the primary drivers of cellular aging, and helps prevent chronic diseases that accelerate the aging process. Another often overlooked benefit of walking is its positive effect on brain health. Regular walking has been shown to increase hippocampal volume, the part of the brain responsible for memory and learning. It promotes the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports neuron growth, cognitive function, and neuroplasticity. Essentially, walking not only keeps your body young, but also your mind sharp. Studies even suggest that walking regularly can reduce the risk of cognitive decline and dementia in older adults. Walking is also a natural stress reliever, which contributes to anti-aging. Chronic stress accelerates aging by increasing cortisol levels, which can damage cells, impair immune function, and promote inflammation. Walking, especially in natural environments like parks or forests, lowers stress hormones, enhances mood, and improves overall emotional well-being. The rhythmic movement of walking can be meditative, allowing the mind to relax and the body to rejuvenate. From a musculoskeletal perspective, walking helps maintain mobility, balance, and joint health. Unlike high-impact exercises, walking gently strengthens the muscles around the knees, hips, and ankles without putting excessive strain on joints. This not only improves posture and flexibility, but also reduces the risk of falls, a major concern as we age. Perhaps one of the most compelling reasons walking reverses aging is its effect on telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes. Longer telomeres are associated with slower cellular aging, and studies have shown that regular moderate exercise like walking can help maintain or even lengthen telomeres over time. In summary, walking is a remarkably simple yet scientifically proven anti-aging exercise. It strengthens the heart, improves metabolism, protects the brain, reduces stress, preserves joint health, and supports cellular longevity. It's accessible to almost everyone, requires no special equipment, and can be easily incorporated into daily routines. Walking may not seem flashy, but it is a true powerhouse when it comes to reversing the signs of aging and promoting lifelong health. While strength training and high-intensity workouts are essential for longevity, there's another often overlooked component of anti-aging exercise: mobility and flexibility training. Practices such as yoga, Pilates, Tai Chi, and dynamic stretching are not just for relaxation. They are scientifically proven to help maintain joint health, prevent injuries, and preserve the natural range of motion that tends to decline with age. By incorporating mobility work into your routine, you can move more freely, reduce pain, and enhance overall vitality. One of the most obvious benefits of mobility and flexibility training is its effect on joint health. As we age, joints naturally stiffen due to reduced synovial fluid, loss of cartilage, and muscle tightness. This stiffness can lead to discomfort, reduced activity levels, and even chronic conditions like osteoarthritis. Stretching and mobility exercise improve blood flow to the joints, nourish cartilage, and maintain or even restore the joint's natural range of motion. By keeping joints flexible, you reduce the risk of injuries, falls, and age-related mobility issues, allowing you to maintain independence well into your later years. Mobility and flexibility work also enhances muscle balance and posture. Many age-related aches and pains are caused by muscular imbalances, tight chest muscles, weak back muscles, or stiff hips. Yoga, dynamic stretching, and similar practices target these imbalances, lengthening tight muscles and strengthening weaker ones. This not only reduces pain but also improves posture, balance, and coordination, making everyday movements easier and more fluid. Proper posture and muscle balance have a direct impact on energy levels, confidence, and overall quality of life. Another critical benefit of mobility exercises is their impact on stress reduction and nervous system health. Chronic stress accelerates aging by elevating cortisol levels, which can damage tissues and suppress the immune system. Practices like yoga and Tai Chi Combine controlled movement with deep breathing and mindfulness, activating the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of the body responsible for rest, recovery, and repair. This reduces inflammation, promotes better sleep, and enhances overall resilience against the physical and mental stresses of aging. Flexibility and mobility work also play a role in maintaining circulation and cardiovascular health. Stretching muscles and moving joints through their full range encourages blood flow and helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to tissues more efficiently. Improved circulation aids recovery from other forms of exercise, supports metabolic function, and even benefits the skin by keeping it nourished and vibrant. Perhaps one of the most fascinating anti-aging effects of mobility training is its impact on the brain and cognitive function. Mindful movement practices, especially those that require balance, coordination, and focus, stimulate neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new neural connections. This helps preserve cognitive function, improve memory, and protect against age-related decline, making flexibility training both a physical and mental anti-aging tool. The best part is that mobility and flexibility exercises are accessible to virtually everyone. Even short daily sessions of 10 to 20 minutes can produce significant results over time. Unlike high-intensity workouts, these exercises are low-impact, gentle on the body, and can be tailored to individual abilities, making them perfect for older adults or those recovering from injuries. In summary, mobility and flexibility training is a cornerstone of healthy aging. By preserving joint function, improving posture, reducing stress, enhancing circulation, and stimulating the brain, these exercises allow your body and mind to remain youthful, resilient, and vibrant. Incorporating them into your routine is not just a choice, it's a strategic investment in long-term health, freedom of movement, and overall longevity. As we age, maintaining balance and coordination becomes one of the most critical aspects of healthy living. Falls are a leading cause of injury among older adults, and even minor missteps can result in fractures, loss of independence, and a reduced quality of life. Fortunately, balance and coordination exercises are scientifically proven to slow the effects of aging, improve neuromuscular control, and enhance overall stability, allowing individuals to move confidently at any age. Balance exercises target the body's neuromuscular system, which is the connection between the brain, nerves, and muscles. As we grow older, these connections can weaken, slowing reaction time, and reducing body awareness. Simple activities like standing on one leg, heel-to-toe walking, or using a balance board challenge the nervous system to adapt. Improving communication between the brain and muscles. Over time, this strengthens coordination, reaction time, and spatial awareness, which are essential for preventing falls and maintaining independence. Coordination exercises, including activities like Tai Chi, dance, or agility drills, enhance the body's ability to perform multiple movements simultaneously. For example, Tai Chi is a gentle, flowing martial art that has been extensively studied for its anti-aging benefits. Research shows that older adults who practice Tai Chi regularly experience significant improvements in balance, flexibility, and proprioception, the body's ability to sense its position in space. Beyond the physical benefits, Tai Chi and other coordinated movement practices improve mental focus, reduce anxiety, and increase body awareness, supporting both mind and body longevity. Another key advantage of balance and coordination training is its impact on the brain. These exercises stimulate neuroplasticity, encouraging the formation of new neural pathways and strengthening existing ones. By engaging both the mind and body, balance exercises improve cognitive function, memory, and reaction time. This dual benefit is particularly important as age-related cognitive decline can impair physical coordination, creating a cycle that increases fall risk. By training both the brain and body, you break that cycle and promote a younger, more agile nervous system. Balance exercises also complement other forms of exercise by protecting joints and muscles. A strong sense of balance reduces unnecessary strain on muscles and ligaments during daily activities. This, decreases the risk of injuries, especially in older adults who are more prone to fractures or sprains. Even small improvements in balance can translate into greater confidence when walking, climbing stairs, or performing routine tasks, which contributes to long-term mobility and independence. Perhaps the most empowering aspect of balance and coordination training is that it can be done anywhere with minimal equipment. Simple bodyweight exercises, yoga poses, or even playful activities like dancing or catching a ball can effectively challenge balance and coordination. Consistency is key. Practicing balance exercises just a few times per week has been shown to significantly improve stability, reduce fall risk, and enhance overall functional performance. In conclusion, balance and coordination exercises are essential for reversing age-related decline. They strengthen the neuromuscular system, protect joints, improve cognitive function, and reduce the risk of falls, enabling a safer, more confident, and independent lifestyle. While strength, cardio, and flexibility are critical for longevity, balance ensures that all those gains translate into real-world mobility and quality of life. By incorporating balance training into your routine, you are not only keeping your body agile, but investing in your freedom, independence, and ability to enjoy life fully for decades to come.